It's Back to the Future. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade on the very popular date of October 21st, 2015, which featured on the film Back to the Future in 1985. So apparently, here in 2015, this is the way we should be looking. Hey, and we have the spiders down 0.6%, the diamonds down 0.23%, the NASDAQ down 0.6%, Russell's down 1.53%, the banks down 1.12%, financials down 0.72%, silver off 1.32%, gold off by 0.9%, crude oil losing 2%, US dollar climbing higher 0.16%, with the fear indicator, the VIXI, up nearly 7%. And share something with you, full disclosure, I do hold a bunch of this penny stock. Now, we do not condone trading penny stocks. Pink sheet companies, over-the-counters, they are highly speculative, highly risky for the underdeveloped and even the highly educated traders. So you really need to know what you're doing to get into those. Now, I do have a business relationship as a consultant for New Generation Consumer Group, ticker symbol here NGCG. And we were talking, I brought this up a week or so ago and talked about this triangle, this bottoming formation coming in. In the last 2 days, the stock has risen 36%. And yesterday looked forward to a breakout. Today we got a gap up, and then we rallied. Closing near the day's high. Have a little bit of resistance to deal with coming across. Actually, I'm going to put that right here. So got a little bit of resistance coming up. If we can climb through that resistance, I see more upside potential. But to be quite frank, I don't care where the stock price is until a year from now, because I have restricted shares and looking for big gains there. But anyway, let's get to the spiders. Now check this out. Remember this rising wedge? We're talking, saying, man, we're flirting with a drop taking place here. Today we get a drop, boom, to the downside. You can see this big drop, and look what happened to volume. We had a tick higher. But to be quite frank, this is not huge volume. But remember I was talking about the bearish divergence here on the MACD? That's exactly what we're starting to get here. So I fully expect to see more downside price action taking place going into the future here. And I want to look at the NASDAQ to show you. We came up kind of based here and then dropped. We dropped, boom, right here on a tick higher on volume. Small caps was just a monster drop. And if I were to draw a line coming across, you can see the support broken, boom, on a tick higher on volume. Nasty little drop, so we get this double top. You can see this with the neckline that has been pierced. So it's a confirmed double top here, but we do have support coming up with the 20-day moving average also. And if I were to go back to the weekly. Remember how we've been talking about the weekly on the S&P 500. Sure enough, there it is. We went up there, challenged 20-day moving average, come right back down. And I see the next few weeks could get gnarly very, very quickly here. And I'm just waiting because we're at this area. It's very, very, this is an area that people are going to be making a big time decision, because if the bears take control here, you're going to see a huge few weeks of bearish activity because we're at this resistance and we're stalling right there at it. However, the bulls take control and they break out of this could be a huge, glorious, big white or green candlestick going into next week. So this is a very big time that we need to be paying very special attention to the markets. Now, tomorrow night, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, 7:30, we invite you to a webinar. The webinar is the biggest service that we provide is our mentorship program. We will mentor you. Go to groktrade.com right now. Go down here to the calendar. It's on the main page at the bottom. Go to Thursday. Click on that link, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. We'll do about a 20-minute webinar, and it will be highly educational. So it'll be very fast, but highly educational on exactly everything that the mentorship is about. We're going to Vegas next month. So once you learn a little more about it, I think you'll be glad you did. Catch you guys later.